Hi guys, it's me Kitty and today I'm gonna play Prodigy. I know it's a new game that I'm playing and yeah. So I really like this game. It's math and I'm level 67. I worked so hard. But yeah, the reason why I love this game is that it's really challenging and stuff. So yeah, and you can battle stuff. So I'm gonna go start. I already have my username, password. In the next video, I will be showing you how to create an account. And as you know, battling this. That's really cool. The way you play this is if you have an account, you just log in. So yeah, you click next, home. If you're at home, if you're at school, pick school. You pick a world. I will pick this one. So yeah. Okay. Yep. I'm not doing this. I'm gonna battle. I really like battling. It's like my favorite thing of all. I really like battling, but I can't find a place to battle. Never mind, my sister, she's just discovering. Is this the battlefield? Yes, it is the battlefield. Hold on, eh? Okay, I'll do. Yes. Gonna be so much fun. Hey, Anisha, don't even dare. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is powerful. Okay, what?
Floor that has one pink shirt, 4 green shirts, 2 black shirts, and 2 red shirts. What is the problem? A. 2 over 9. B. 1 over 4. C. 2 over 3.
Is this correct? I believe it's correct. Wow. Powerful. Seriously. So powerful, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Tiles, 3 green tiles, 4 purple tiles, and 6 pink tiles in a bag. If you select one without looking, what is the probability it will be pink? A. 6 over 6. B. 6 over 19. C. 6 over 40.
I'll just pick this one. What about this one? Yes, that one's correct. I wasn't sure about the last one. Sometimes I just randomly pick, so it's It's not fair. Don't mind my sister at all. Yeah.
A fair number die are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The die is rolled 18 times. How many times should you expect to roll it? 8, 3, 8, 6, 7, 12.
I would say 3. Correct. I killed it. No way. It's also level 55. Oh, it's the first one. I kill this one. They still have 3 mercenaries, so it'll be this one. No. So what's the second one? Yeah. Okay, it's almost killed. Oh no. What? No.
Playing with a bag of marbles.
Okay.
He picks marbles randomly, and out of the last 36 picks, 17 were marbles. As the experimental probability, the next marble he picks will be red. Answer is a simplified fraction in the form A over B.
Nope. Oh. Just tells you that way. Maybe this will just try.
দেখো আমি একটা স্টার্ট আদিকে দিয়েছিল ওর আমুর হাতে দিয়েছিলাম বলছি এটা আদিকে দাও আদি রাক্ষসের পছন্দ কিসে একদিন আমি খাইছিলাম এই সিলভারটা খালি একটা ছিল আমি জানি না ওই ও ভ্যালেন্টাইন্স ডে আমি একটা পাইছিলাম তারপরে
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. So if you like it, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. And also my sister said she's in Mela. I can't translate, so yeah, bye.